Happy Valentine's Day and welcome to this week's Friday Food Fix. Today we are making a meal to get ahead for next week so that one night when you get home from work, it's going to be super duper easy. All you have to do is throw the dish in the oven and it will be ready in 30 minutes. So today we are making a chicken Caesar pasta. It's basically taking a chicken Caesar salad, if you enjoy those, and turning it into a main meal as a pasta dish. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by making the sauce. The base of the sauce is some Caesar dressing. If you like the flavor of Caesar dressing, you will love this pasta. I'm going to take, this is a 9 fluid ounce bottle. It's just one of the small bottles from the grocery store, and we're just going to put all of that into our baking dish. It's going to be a little thick to coat the pasta right now though, so to that we are going to add a half cup of chicken broth. That's just going to thin it out a little bit so it can coat the pasta a little bit easier. And then we're going to season it up. We're going to add a little bit more flavor to our sauce with a few other ingredients. Let me just stir these together. And the next step is we're going to add some garlic powder. Just a half teaspoon of garlic powder to bump up the flavor of our sauce. And in addition to the garlic powder, we are also adding a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper. And the last thing that's going into the sauce for this is some lemon. We want the juice from one lemon in our sauce to bring out the flavors as well and to make it just a little bit tart. And I'm just going to stir all of that around and make sure that everything is evenly combined. Besides that, the only other two ingredients are the chicken and the pasta. So for the chicken, I took 3 chicken breasts, I cooked them in the oven, and then I shredded them. That's the meat that's going into our pasta dish. I'm going to just pour that in. And I also cooked ahead of time my pasta. I made angel hair pasta. You can really use any kind of pasta you would like. And I just cooked it according to the package directions. And then I rinsed it off with some water so that it doesn't stick together so much. And I'm just going to use my tongs to add the pasta into my dish. And the last step then is just to toss everything together. We want to get our pasta nice and evenly coated with the sauce, and we want our chicken to be evenly distributed as well so that we don't get some plates with a lot of chicken and some plates with none. Once you have it all coated and all combined together, we're going to put it in the refrigerator, and then when you're ready to make it next week, whichever night you decide to have this for dinner, it just gets popped in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes and it's ready. I serve this up with some salad on the side so that we get some veggies, and our dinner is completely ready. The leftovers also make really delicious lunches for at work, so just package the leftovers up and all you have to do is grab a container in the morning and it's super easy. And you may even get a few people asking you for the recipe when you are eating it at work. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop it in the refrigerator and I am all set for one of my evenings next week. If you want this recipe and you are in the Make Ahead Meal Masters Facebook group, it will be emailed out to you shortly. If you are not in the Facebook group yet and you are watching over on Instagram, head up to the link in my bio, click through and request to join. If you are watching on Facebook or on YouTube, go ahead and click the link in the description and that will take you right over to join as well. I hope to see you there and I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. See you next week. Bye.